Hey guys, it's me. Today we're going to be doing a little tutorial. This is a door right here, and a lot of people might have had this issue before, where basically they don't understand what you do and how you get around one of these. So it's quite simple. Think of this as more of like a fix, maybe, because I haven't seen many other people do this. Because maybe not a lot of people know any fixes or methods for this. But basically, what I've found is that you see this metal thing right here. So this can be actually different on other doors, which is a bit of a problem. So this video might not actually be right for you. You might want to go and find a different tutorial maybe, or maybe I can make a tutorial myself if I have a door with one of the different versions on instead of this. I'll make a video on that myself. So basically, what you want to do is you see this like metal sticking out thing. You want to grab onto that, and all you got to do is just pull it down. And basically, what that does is release this little, like, not release, yeah, kind of release this little, I don't know what you would call that. Anyway, and then just open it up, and there you go. So I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, be sure to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.